Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really good looking GARDENA wall mounted retractable hose reel. It is on the market available with 115 feet, 100 feet, 82 feet, 66 feet, and 50 feet. So you can choose um, how the size should be. You can buy it with spike mounted feature, wall mounted, like here, but this is wall mounted real, and wall mounted gray. Oh yay! Effortless retraction. The 115-foot Italian-made high-quality hose automatically locks at the desired length, and with a short pull, it retracts, while the hose guide prevents tangling and twisting. And we have a flexible use. The retractable hose reel can be swiveled 180 degrees due to its practical wall bracket, preventing kinks, nicks while watering, and can be positioned close to the wall when not in use. And we have a roll control. The roll control technology ensures a slow and safe retraction, no matter how far the hose is unrolled, while the integrated spring is activated with a simple light pull at the end of the hose. And it's so convenient. The nozzles, the wands, and the washing brushes can be hung up and stored on the wall bracket, while the hose box is protected from the elements with both UV protection and frost-proof materials. Of course, you should empty it while it is too cold outside. Then you have to let the water out of it, but you can let it over the winter time outside. It's no problem for it, really. You will get a GARDENA retracting hose reel, a GARDENA premium hose, and a 5 feet connection hose, and the connection fittings and infinitely adjustable spray nozzles. And the only thing you will need is a water source, of course. No banding, no cranking, and no dirty hands. The high quality hose is instantly ready for use in the required lengths. A quick truck and a quick tuck of the hose after use, and it is automatically evenly and securely rolled up. The integrated hose guide ensures even retraction without bending or knotting the hose. Really easy setup, as you can see. Everything is complete. The wall-mounted hose box included the box, the hose, and also the wall bracket. The connection hose and all connection fittings are also supplied. This rendered a practical hose box ready for immediate use. You have to drill 4 holes in the wall, of course. Then you hang it up, and job's done after this. And we have a safe outer retraction. The RollControl technologies answer a slow and safe retraction, no matter how far the hose is unrolled, while the integrated spring will be activated with a simple light pulley at the end of the hose. And it's flexible use and easy storage. It made possible with a practical wall bracket. The hose boxing can be swiveled 180 degrees. This prevents kinking of the hose while watering, and the box can be folded to the wall for space-saving storage. In winter, the box can simply be removed from the bracket and stored in a frost protection place, or you let it without water outside. I think it's okay, because mine is okay after 2 winters. And everything in reach. The hose is always within reach, and various connection devices are always right there when we need it, because the nozzles, the sprayers, and the wash brushes can be conveniently hung and stored on the wall bracket itself. And it's UV and frost proof. It's protected from the elements with both UV and frost proof materials, and it comes with a durable construction. The GARDENA hose reels are durable and of a high quality. shipped with leak-proof and durable Italian hoses. And here it comes, 100% leak-proof. The Gardena system fittings are all designed to be quick, reliable and watertight. And the solution for any garden. We choose a hose box according to our garden size. Convenient choose between a wall-mounted hose reel or a hose reel on a spike as you like. The hose lengths between 50 and 115 feet are available on the market. This is the Gardena Retractable Hose Reel with its automatic spring-loaded hose. Retraction system makes watering easy and convenient. This is a premium 115-foot hose water medium to large gardens. The set included the 150-foot long premium quality hose, the Gardena fittings, tap adapter, hose connection and water soap hose connector, a 5-foot hose connection to reach the tap, and the Gardena adjustable spray nozzle. Its 180-degree wall-mounted bracket provides a flexible use and a better control in many different directions. The premium quality of the 115-foot hose with the power grip technology and the kink resistant makes it really reliable and long lasting, and its high sensitive and quality double spiral mesh reinforcing to reduce the chance of kinking, knotting and twisting. The hose is free of toxins for millions of home and garden owners worldwide when it comes to the garden care. And the material used is also UV stabilized. It's based in Ulm, Germany. The Gardena is the brand itself for gardening. That is because Gardena offers a complete range of all these required watering systems: lawn care, robotics, tree and shrub care, garden tools, soil cultivations, and city gardening tools too. Today, Gardena provides quality garden tools in more than 80 countries all over the world. And it looks really cool. It is reliable. I proved this because I'm using it for a long time now, and it makes a really good job. It is the best wall-mounted retractable hose reel I ever have before. In this case, it is a nice and really cool looking device, and it will support my garden and me with a lot of water and this for a lot of years which are coming, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.